We're living in a time where intentions are loud, but execution is silent. Everyone is making vision boards. Everyone is talking purpose, goals, and strategy. But purpose doesn't manifest because you speak it. It manifests because you perform it. Resolve to perform what you ought. Perform without fail what you resolve. God isn't just looking for dreamers. He's looking for doers. People who will do what they say and do what He said. Because what you consistently do reveals what you actually believe. You said you would write the book. You said you would launch the brand. You said you would break the cycle. So what's stopping you? Don't just make resolutions. Make results. Let your execution match your revelation. God can only bless what you're willing to build. 2 Corinthians 8:11 says, "Now you should finish what you started. Let the eagerness you showed in the beginning be matched now by your giving."